What's the meaning of cable car? Cable car. Cable car.
Cable car. Cable car. A cable car is a type of transportation system that operates on cables or ropes in which vehicles are propelled along the cables by means of gripping devices and power sources. Cable cars are commonly used as a means of public transportation in steep, hilly terrain or in urban areas. They are also popular for sightseeing purposes, providing tourists with scenic views of cities or natural landscapes. Cable cars can be found in various parts of the world and have become an iconic feature of certain locations, such as San Francisco's iconic cable car system.